Cheater caught red-handed. Jamaican Movies 2023. Starring Sister Petra, Ethic Boss, Jamrock Home Production.
Jeremiah?
Yes, my wife.
Is not the pee-pee you're throwing at the front of the doorway?
So what happened, my wife?
You crazy? That's the reason why the place smell like that every day. And I'm wondering where the ranking scent come from. You throwing the piss in the yard front?
My wife, from me I grew up, my grandmother used to tell me, say, when you throw pee-pee in the yard, it run with ghosts.
Listen to me. Don't come to me with that dirty, stupid, old-time days foolishness.
It's not old-time days, my wife.
Listen to... I don't want you to throw no more piss at the yard front. It stink. And when people come here, what do you think they're going to say about the place? Smell the place how it stink. When the sun come out more than this, you know what's going to happen in the yard. You can't stand your breath.
They just lighting on my wife. You pray? You come out here look argument with me?
How you mean if I pray? You should know if I pray before you come out here dashing the piss before the doorway. Listen to me, don't let me ever smell the place smell rank again. You hear what I
Well, a morning time, you carry it out.
If you're supposed to carry it out, I have too many things to do.
Yeah, I'm not going in. By the way, where you going just like that?
I am going down to our daughter's house, so that's the reason why. Yes, that's the reason why I dressed like this. I want to go and pick up something from her. She said I should come and pick up something.
Make sure you not stay long down there because I know you love the gossiping.
I am not going down there, my husband, to gossip. Why you always talk bad about me?
Because I know you like me and back.
I'm not going down there to gossip. She called me this morning and said I should come down there to pick up something for us. And this is how you're talking to me and they just like?
But you know that they just like you should wake up long time and empty the piss pot.
Well, that is your duty. Don't you always
not
do it
even
before
breakfast, I think you make inside
I didn't get a chance to make the breakfast because she said she's going to work. So I have to rush down there and come back. You hear me?
And I don't know. Any more argument with
why you quarreling? You don't get up before me in the morning and throw away the pee-pee. Now you're arguing about the piss? And one thing I have to tell you.
Try make sure say you don't make me spit at the dry up enough. Because I know you love the gossiping and you will take the whole day. Oh.
All right, Jeremiah, just go on in the house to help me see it. Miserable little old man, a big old man like you, look what you're doing. Huh?
Honey.
Yes, baby.
So from a week you know wash, man?
I'm tired, I can't bother with that right now.
From a week come out dirty clothes in a basket, you know wash. And you know say me have to go to work a morning. What? Listen, me can't wear them clothes here over and over, you know, man.
Why you worry yourself, so far? Why you worry yourself, so far? In due time, the clothes I'm wash, what I'm to you? Me don't, no more from
week. Only 2 days now, me I wear this, and you know, say people at work, I go chat. Well, you know, and I like say you at work, you know. You're there at daytime in my bed, you just wash out the 2 little pieces of clothes them in a basket, man.
Me never have no vibes. Me never feel good. What you expect me to do? Go wash and drop down over the clothes them. Stop giving me problem early in the morning, youth. I can't manage it so early.
Honey, me not tolerate them things, you know, man. You have to consider, you know, honey, because you see me out there work so hard.
Hello.
And you're there the whole time. Watch there. Watch there.
Shucks. Me not remember say you have to talk to me. Listen to me. The point is, what me I try to say to you now, alright. Done with the phone. You claim to say, look what me I do. Me never feel good this week, as simple as that. Me never feel good. So that's the reason why the clothes them never get for wash.
So when you not get up now and wash out the clothes
me can't manage it. You see the sun out outside.
So when you have to wash the clothes them?
Maybe later. Maybe later or something. Can't manage that right now. Look here. Me have something to tell you, you know. You know somebody don't want to have money to do something. Me have one ear when me see over the internet when I want to send go buy. I think at 36,000 add for it plus delivery nights.
Only when I see some changes in you, me deal with them, I have to deal with you, you know.
What you mean by when I see changes in me?
If you can't do things to me, why me I will do things to you? if me come back later, my clothes them still in a basket, and me do me bring them go to laundromat and get them washed, you know.
You don't have to carry them where you
No,
have
but
here,
if me come back and see them same way in the basket, it don't make sense.
But here you me.
Since you not do nothing for me conserve my money then. If I so be the case.
Listen to me. Me can't talk because all you do is just a yap your mouth and you don't even understand my feelings. You understand? Me wake up a morning time, I don't feel good.
You're
me
pregnant?
feel weak. Me not pregnant, but me just don't feel good. Me
So you
just
take this
don't
thing for your joke, you smile, you take this thing me serious as me stand up here saying, you know.
Yeah, but me just don't feel good. People
You
can't
don't
wake
feel good,
up.
but you feel good for your phone in your hand. Come like a banter your band. Yeah.
Me not banter the
Listen,
reason why.
me not
Look
go
here.
serious, so I ain't no argument with you. Me don't tell me make it, me lay down my rule right now. You see, if me come back later and my clothes them no wash, tomorrow morning me I bring them to the laundry.
You don't have to carry them, God, at the
Listen
place
to
there.
what me I say. You see, if me come and them no wash, is a different approach me I go take this thing to.
What you mean different approach?
Me no talking with
wait
you.
now. You don't even say nothing to me about the money. What happened to the youth here? Me say all of a sudden him just a behave so strong. Him lucky. Make him stay there. So every day I forget to mash up my hand. I buy him for go buy a machine and that if you do you come and come talk about say your clothes them don't wash your wear clothes 2 days. You're lucky. If you never want to wear them 2 days, you know, then buy a machine put on here. Who this gonna call me? You know, nobody stress me out, you know, so early. Hello, good morning. Who this? Hello? Who this? Errol, morning. How you want so early? No, I'm gone. I'm just leave out. What? Everything alright. What your problem so early? Everything alright. What your problem? What you come up here for? Your brother not here? Watch you. He just call and just hang up your phone, so. Why am I come up here for? You know you say brother not there. He stay in yard because I don't want to see them. The man and brother just irritating.
Can't bother with that the woman there, you know. Every man I see him thing with her, you know. It's Josiah.
Hi, oh Lord. Sean, how you doing, young man?
Not so good enough, ma'am.
What is wrong with you? I was just heading back home because I forget my fear. What happened to you?
Yeah, imagine, right? Me not really talk my business, you know, ma'am.
What you mean by you're not talking your business? Tell Madam Josiah what is wrong with you because that is what is wrong nowadays. You not talk what is wrong with you if people can't help you. Tell me, man, so I can help your situation.
Imagine my wife there the whole day for a week. And my clothes them just a pile up in a basket, my dirty clothes them.
So what?
2 days now me I wear this, you know.
2 days you wearing the same clothes? And she there warm every day, they playing here and they off one?
That bother me, man.
Oh,
right, you know, me just feel like she just divorce her, you know, ma'am.
Listen to me. Woman like that is no good. I have my good daughter. You think my daughter couldn't treat you so? If my daughter and you did that? Leave the little girl. Because she could have never there at your yard and not doing anything. That is totally out of order. So look here. So that's the reason why you and your wife quarreling every morning.
Every single morning,
Mighty
same thing.
God of
You understand,
Daniel.
from a married woman, you know, Miss Josiah, everything changed. She usually be this nice woman, you know, me even see this side here in her, you know.
Oh Lord, let me tell you something. So you didn't know that it's so married lifestyle. A lot of these young people, when they marry, them play so well. Because guess what? They wear a mask. You see, as soon as you put on the ring on them, dog me and the man supper. Because they put on everything, they tap do everything. But if you know what good for you, you would send her back to her parents' home and take my daughter.
Miss Josiah, here what me I go do. You see, if me go in later and she no wash my clothes them,
Carry them, come give me, make me wash them.
you will do them for me?
Of course, and you give me a little change. But by the way, you soon turn my son-in-law, me shouldn't even take anything. But I know you would give me a little
So your
change.
husband is alright with that? If
You
wash
could
my
ask
clothes
the
them?
question. It's not if him alright with it, him have to alright with it. Because every
Yeah, but
morning
you
we
know-
recognize that you're miserable.
But sometimes you know some man say they know say you have your wife and then you have to come and wash my clothes them.
Oh Lord.
Them thing make me just
Don't worry about that. Sean, we feel it for you. We feel feel it for you so much because every morning when we see you going through the gate, we see how you have to quarrel with this young girl. Eh? What is wrong with them? Them always pick up good man and then when they're done, when they've left them, now them say it's the man's fault.
And what the biggest thing, you know, me a talk to her, she have phone a play and she all a laugh off of me like say she did a banter me like. And I come, when me a walk out, I come and talk about say, she see new earphone online where she want to buy, where cost $30,000. So when me a do, see her to stay home and look pretty in her house and my clothes them there.
Seriously, she said to you that you should buy hair for her?
Yeah, $30,000 a year. And now do nothing in her house to me. You think say that can be right?
That is totally unacceptable. Unacceptable. So what you're going to do about it? Take your clothes over by my house. My husband won't say anything about it. You alright?
When me come later, if she don't shape up, me I tell you.
Shape up. Listen to me. This is Madam Josiah advice. That is what you're not going to get. You hear what I said? You start to see her true color because you give her the ring too quick. And because she dealt with you for the hairstyle and the phone, that is what you're going to get. But don't worry yourself. It's up to you now. I have my good daughter. And from you see me, you know that my daughter is well refined.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
anytime you want to push her away, remember we know each other, you know, your mother know my mother. So, you know, I'll give you somebody very well.
Yes, ma'am.
All right?
Ma'am, you don't have to go home, you know, me pay your fare.
Okay.
Come on, me pay your fare.
Thank you.
Petra. Petra.
It's all that.
I mean, Errol.
The door open.
You never see my credit done for you call me back.
Me never know say it's done your credit done. And moreover, why you call me so early for?
Some brother there.
You never hear over the phone to me saying gone over.
Oh, me I got ear on the phone cut off.
That is your business and your problem. Where you come up here for?
So, what go on?
Nothing now go on. Watch out! Oh, your bride, so come off my bed!
Boy, that easy.
Come off!
My brother buy this in a girl.
What do you mean say your brother bed? So what you doing in your brother bed?
That easy, not there. So, you move, so. I'm glad someone come up here.
Come off of your brother bed.
So, what you up to all these days?
See him as how you see it.
What do you mean?
See him like how you see it. I don't have nothing to say. I don't want to mix up with you. I don't want to go tell a lie for me.
What kind of lie me I go tell for you?
What do you mean?
See your stocks are fixed.
Stop touch me up now. Oh, you're so tame. Leave me alone, man. Can't take a problem, you know. Say your brother is one piece of problem, me I tell you, no youths.
What do you mean?
You don't know where food parents get on the from. I say every man in the man just dead in me as well before him left. Be a quarrel, be a problem the man I give me before him leave.
So you tell me say not changing dirty ways.
Change what kind of dirty ways? Which part of him don't change? Which part of him don't change? Eh? Tell me, him look like somebody want change?
So where my cuss you for
Stop
now?
pull up my bed. I quarrel I come talk about something if I go wash clothes. Me if I wash clothes with my hand. Him don't try to buy a machine, him a work good money and him don't think buy one machine put on.
But you can't do him something there. You're not supposed to buy a machine for you can
and
wash.
he can't afford it and a dryer too. It look like everything me have to tell him to do.
You can have nice woman like you, have you a wash their hand. Eh?
That me I said too.
Sometimes some man even know what they have.
Them don't know what them have. And him, you know what hurt me? He make it go on like say this me stable. Suppose to hear my girl this morning. That's how when he come back this evening, if he close and wash one, what am I going to do with me?
When can do?
I'm going to fling me out of the house. What to your brother is same sick?
Petra, you're a good woman, you know, because me not see you go nowhere at all, you know.
Me? You see me leave the
At
house?
daytime, if me come up here 50 times, you're there.
Right in the house.
Right in the
my
house.
bed.
You know me want a woman like this.
You know, me not even keep my friend.
And that me I see.
friend.
So why I make a bad him every minute, him a cuss you off.
Him knows if I have the internet, I have my phone, me good. Him not have nothing else to worry about.
Why me
Him
tell
come
you?
quarrel about house and all of this. Now relax himself when he come in, just relax himself. When he come in and get in dinner and all of them something, him go on like him just want to stress my brain out.
Some man lucky than some, you know.
And that me I say.
Because all if me have you, you know, everything it all run smooth, you
You
know.
only a sister till when you get me a difference.
Nah man, but you're not easy. You're a good girl.
You sure? You sure, yeah, say?
What you mean?
Or you just a sister because true, you know, say, me and your brother wife, you just a try to make me feel
No,
for your brother.
come on, man. You don't know me long time. I know say I saw me stay. Anything me say me mean it.
I don't know if you mean it. Because you maybe have to pick up for your brother on the style.
Sure. From me I grow, me know that the man they stay. Everything by them, him just miserable,
Everything.
just miserable.
Him just want
And
everything perfect and him not
I
perfect.
don't intend to change it.
Him not change.
Him a go stay, him a go on till he stay alone.
Him go and live by himself because me not stay with him with that condition like that, me I tell him.
The time you decide say you want to leave, you know say you have a house to stay in. You understand?
You stay with you. You want your brother kill me?
So you carry on him left so that I know nothing?
Oh yeah.
Or we go in a country go live?
You really don't take care of me?
What you mean? Just give me a chance.
So you can buy my ears and
Sure.
them something there. I'm going to put on my nails and have my hat close them like
That
what your
are
brother
the
now.
least. That are the least. Here are the least and nail are the least.
Make sure, you know, because as bad as things be, it make me have my good ear them.
Babes, no worry
And my
about
nice
that.
clothes.
Listen, man, no worry about that. Look how you look nice in a bed. You should have happy. Listen, man, you should have happy. Say you have a woman like you look there. And you're not give no trouble nor nothing.
Yeah, that mean I said everybody should have out a road every minute I drive up and down with dash, my foot on dashboard. That me I tell you.
Listen,
And that me should have do behind him back and show him have a perfect wife. Him just a go on with him being nice in the place.
listen, me, any him continue to go out in style. You just left him and make him move from your and go somewhere else. You understand what I say?
You make me feel like me I like you. Me like me feel good. Me not like. Me like how you talk.
And now if they are put up with that.
And I said, naga. I wonder if you really, you miserable like him? Or you just a go on like?
Just calm.
Mr. See, you just take everything easy. I wonder if I really say you go on in your yard. Oh boy, I don't eat nothing for a man, you know.
Me worse. So we have to feel rest of the day.
I mean, it's a me have a look at some feet and just relax myself. I never really plan to do nothing big.
So that means say, at what time I come in?
You don't know, so I'm not coming no time soon.
We can spend the day together then.
What's so mad? I suppose he just pop up back or something.
Just
You're
tell
not
him to
easy.
make me just come in and come check him. He not have to know nothing.
You don't like the sound of that. You
Well,
don't really do that to your brother.
Sure.
You don't really do that to your brother. You don't really watch your brother heart break in pieces.
But he had break already and he say miserable. Come like you all know him not get over him first love, you know see that?
Oh, oh my God.
Out in stress for you.
And I may say,
Me if you have up your body but you're not easy.
what I mean, I got my good body, look good body. Look here. Them are nice clothes and bad for me now. Look how I look good.
So you say you always spend the day together?
If you say so.
Alright, we have for breakfast, so you can make for me.
I have I think I have bacon there, and I have sausage, egg, and plantain. Or you want an omelette? What you want?
Well, anything where you feel suitable for me, I will take it. I not force you, I not demand you.
What if I fry dumpling and tin mackerel me have?
You work with it, I not fuss it.
I drop me
Anything
away,
you
man.
prepare for me, alright with
You
that.
think your brother can have that big job there, me and them tin mackerel and fried dumplings still? You mad?
Could never. Yes, my wife.
I'm glad you're out here. I'm so tired. I try to hurry and come back.
You're no longer out here, my wife.
Oh, Lord.
Because I'm hungry, you know.
You're hungry? We get a little stuff, you know. All your favorites. All this she buy for us, you know, so we can wash our clothes and... Oh,
That's why you're glad I take care of my daughter, you know.
you see your face. You remember this morning you never want me to go down there door.
You can drink some tea and eat
Eat a
little
cracker. Yes. And
What?
bread is in there as well.
All bread to my wife?
Yes, and cheese is in there as well.
Wow.
She know exactly what we want, you know. So she take care of we good, clean daughter. I have something to say to you. You see all of them nice they what we hear morning time over with neighbor yard. A big problem over there, you know.
What you saying to me?
I saw Sean this morning, and my God, the young man in a pain and agony. You don't know say him say the girl over there and don't even want to make tea for him.
What?
Him don't get no tea at all a morning time.
But my
Him
wife,
have to leave and go work without it.
from you look on that woman, you can see say that woman is very lazy, you know, my wife.
Yes, to me.
All she do, you know, I just step on phone at daytime and I put on makeup, you know.
You remember you tell me that that's all you see she doing?
That's all.
And what these young people take life for? They think that is only hairstyle and makeup they must have on?
And my wife, you know, say, I've been noticing something.
What?
Right? I out here all long, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And you know that I see Errol go over the yard.
Why Errol going over there and him brother not there?
That's
and
what I am here sitting down
Him
watching
know say
to see
Ghana
how long
work.
him go take to come out of the house.
That's why.
Because if your brother is not there, oh,
Why?
you're in the house along.
Yes,
Huh?
but by the way, him should have never come up there and him brother because to all time stay now. You can't trust anybody. I
And
wonder what
she-
him up to.
And she in the house with him and she not even say, your brother is not here, it's time to go. It look like that she inveigling it, you know.
So you never cock your ears for hear what they're doing over there?
No, my wife, me just come right here, come sit down, you know, because me want them know, say, me dey here and me
And you
a
see
watch and see
everything.
everything what is going on.
My God.
So when them come out today, them will know what time it is.
I love that my husband because guess me what? I said to Sean, I said, Sean, me and you bear every pain. Every pain a morning time.
And you can see that young man work very hard to take care of that woman, you know.
How you mean if him work very
Huh?
hard? You know, see how she look good? You know what him tell me, say? She then laugh of time and then when him leaving, she then tell him how she want to order here online. I don't know what the online is all about, but he said she want here online. And he said she don't even wash in clothes, you know. Not even that. So I tell him to bring the clothes them over because we will wash it. What you think about that?
You will wash it if you
I will,
want.
that's what I mean. But what I'm saying, I even said to him, don't worry yourself. We have a nice and clean daughter. Him can make sure left
Exactly.
and take for with daughter. What you
Exactly.
think of for with daughter don't have a man and she just so nice and looks so good.
And at least he will take care of her because him have a very good job.
Yes, and I think the two of
Wife,
them would look so well
you're
together.
thinking very wide, you know.
Of course I'm thinking, them and I have to think about our daughter.
So what him say about it?
He said he will think about it because it look like him very interested in it.
Yes, my wife. Because that woman, you know, my wife, she need to go, you know.
Of course. Because every morning before the man leave for work, the woman cussing him up. That couldn't be right, my husband.
My wife, let me tell you something. You see, when you marry them young girl, yeah, and them no experience nothing in a life, them just feel like, say, a time for them experience things, you know.
Yes,
And
sir.
then no realize how hard people have to work out there for maintain them, you know, my wife.
They
right?
don't care about
And you know
those
when they
things.
miss out, when time the good man gone and then
Gone
pick up
and
some
left them,
little hole.
riff-raff.
Me not even like go
So
call the
riff
word.
raff.
Huh?
Riff raff. And that is what they forget because if they don't understand life and know that you can't get up every day doing that stupidness. Nobody say you must not take care of yourself, but
Yes,
you
no, I-
fix
but-
up the yard and make sure when the man come home the place nice and clean
That's
and him have
what
him
I'm
nice
saying, my
food.
wife. If you see that the man working so hard, right? I don't say she not supposed to set up herself, but
Right.
try to invest in a little business so you can help up. You understand? Help
You
up her
see
husband.
you see she want to do that?
Only thing she want to do is put on makeup and put on phone every day.
And then
Huh?
they pop out big laugh like she rich. And God they know she don't come from nowhere and they treat a boy like that.
Exactly, that's the reason why she behaves. So if she was coming from a home
Proper home.
where her parents and school are in the right way, she wouldn't be behaving like that.
No, she would know what it is to have a good
Yeah,
man
but
and
you're
take
the old
good care
saying
of
them
them.
say, never come see. Huh?
And they also say when must a kitchen cloth come turn tablecloth.
And that she come to know tablecloth. Because you see how long the man in the house with her.
But me say you should have cock your ears for ear if you
Me
hear
wife,
anything.
it
But him
just
shouldn't go
don't
at the
look
people
right.
them. Him should never go at the boy yard and him not there. Nowadays you can't trust nobody, you know. You know that?
You know, say my wife, I think you should tell him, because I don't think he know that him brother come in there one time him gone to work,
You know that I will tell him everything. It's because I never really see you always out here forget all of the scoop I mean, see. So when I see him, I will let him know that when saw him left, but it look like he's calling brother call, so him know exactly when him gone.
Exactly, my wife. Exactly. Now you're just seeing in my way.
Well, look here. I am glad that she's doing that. Because when she do that,
it's more opportunity for our daughter. Exactly. Because she don't want nothing.
She don't want the man as far as I can see.
She only craving for the money.
But
that's all.
I can, after we cannot allow that. We cannot allow that because he's our neighbor and we love him as a son-in-law.
Exactly.
So we are not going to let any old riffraff come take disadvantage of our good neighbor. So anyway, I don't want to take up too much time out here, even though you say you're watching to see what time that's our scumbag coming out of.
My wife, I'm not going inside, my wife. If at night before him leave, my wife, I will be here because I want that girl to say somebody see what taking place.
But you don't know that these young people don't even care if anybody see what them doing. See the kind of dirtiness that they are doing all over the world. They don't care if you want to catch them.
Well,
them can't shame,
Well, I am doing this for my daughter, so if I have to stay here the whole day and watch him yard, that's exactly what I'm going to do today. Right?
You should have a phone here as well to take the picture, so...
That's what, because sometimes they won't believe,
Right, so you have
concrete
evidence.
Me phone there on the bedside table, bring it come, so when I see them come out, I can video them, my wife. Because sometimes people need a little proof, sometimes word of mouth don't cut it,
No, you
so
have
bring
to
my phone when you come, when you make breakfast. It on the bedside table and not stay too long.
So look here, you don't want to come inside.
No, my wife, I'm not going in.
That's why I love you, my husband. I want you to see everything. So
if
that
you put up a camera, so me will be the camera for you, my wife. Just come make breakfast. Before you eat, my wife, before you make breakfast, just bring the phone on the bedside table.
All right, let me rush for it.
Because I don't want a moment pass me,
All right, I'm coming, let me hurry. All right, let me hurry.
So, why me and your brother can't live so?
But say, they always say, several brothers, several different mind. You understand?
Let me say, you're just so tender with me and nice with me. You just talk good things about me. Him don't say nothing nice about me,
From you and him there?
When me and him just say him say, but all of a sudden just stop like me nothing about me no good. He just always have bad things to say.
What me I try to understand now, right? So, you love dead for him?
No, me love queer and dead for my husband. Me love my husband, he take care of me and make me look good. You don't know that? Look how him take care of me.
Yeah,
so me love no dead for him, it's just that the way I'm a baby, him just turn me off, make me nobody want like him. Like me feel like me I get feel like you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cause me love how you talk about me. You say me deserve every nice thing. Him don't tell me that.
So what you plan to do then?
What do you mean
you
what
plan
me
to give me a chance in your life?
Me not think so. Oh, me for this just jump and do that so. Me don't even see I do nothing for me. You know, say even this morning I said to that youth. I said me still some nice Brazilian earphone line. They said oh cheap.
I know, so me can buy one for you though.
Then get I don't know much, Me tell you it's 36,000 odd, so roughly you can give me 50,000. And if you
so
still look for me,
why you can't buy that for you?
he look like says the whole world me ask him for him don't even look for me with him dirty and just step out left me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can buy it for you if you want, but if you buy it for you, you not go suspect or wonder where you get money from to buy it.
Him no business about nothing. Him don't even recognize when me dress up and look good. Him don't even say me look pretty now nothing. What you mean say him a go find out? Him not know nothing at all. So you go buy it for me?
You buy it for you, but
Yeah.
maybe that give the money and you deal with it.
Thanks. Alright then. Well, if you see so.
No, man,
No,
I get the money.
me not bother
Next
ask
week
him.
you get money.
Next week you will give me?
Yeah, man.
So quick.
So what? Anything for you, no, man.
Thank you.
Anything for you.
Oh God. Thanks. Anyway, I go for the breakfast for you. Here?
Yeah.
But you know say this morning I say I know hot up some chicken foot soup game for breakfast.
How long me not drink that soup there?
So me, you know want that instead of want little fry stuff they want to good for you.
Yeah, that is better. Because I like soup in a man.
Eh? So every minute when I cook soup, I cook it every day so you come up here for it.
So you see him, you did that again?
When I get and take out him quarrel, I don't say nothing to him, I just make him galang and walk. I can go buy something per road.
So that means say no, say you look like some really special to you, know, because if you go give me film soup, that means I'm not really special.
Oh, you mean? That's not nothing. That's not nothing what more than do for you.
Well, yeah, so.
Then look here, if me I do things same and him complain over everything and me nothing do nothing much for you and you grateful, what you think? Eh?
Reality talking.
And one thing me know woman love complimenting and you don't know that.
That's true.
All if we don't look good, we look dry up and all of that. We love when man say we look good.
True, yeah,
Thanks, you hear for you say me look good.
Anytime, man. So you got hot up the soup?
What you mean if me have got hot up the soup? Anything for you. You don't know that?
Alright, come deal with it for me.
Yeah, so you're not coming off my bed? You don't intend to come off my bed?
So I can't eat breakfast in bed?
No.
Or you want me to come in the kitchen?
You're not easy. Come go in the dining room. Oh, you bright, sir. Come go in the dining room.
I like same day here. I don't need meat in a bed.
Me not say no, but we not practice that.
So we can break the rule for once?
Yes, but we don't want to eat yesterday, man. We go in the dining room. Why? I say your chest feel good. Why? You
Lift
feel
weights,
good.
You know?
A man like you, me did one long time, you know. Or a man will lift weight and why you just feel warm and feel nice.
No, but that alone feel warm, you know.
I don't know what you're talking about and I don't want to know because that don't sound right. Anyway, me I go feel, oh my God, me feel like me not even want to let you go.
You have to let me go.
Oh, is it?
I could join for life.
Oh! Me couldn't meet her before me meet her, brother. You don't know what me did sip on that boy there.
Just time do everything in a
Yeah,
because
me
you
never...
want to know him ways now, nothing.
Yeah,
time,
actually.
you know.
Oh, this just feels nice. Alright.
Yeah, come in and break your rule. You say if you come
Alright,
in
come on.
So, come in there with you.
Mm-hmm.
Jeremiah, is what you see. What you see? Anything happening? Him gone yet?
Him not gone all now, you know, my wife.
So is what you see while me see you bend down looking like
I hear them in there chatting and laughing, you know.
oh,
Like them having a good time inside, you know.
what you saying? Oh my God. Oh boy, what is wrong with these young people, man? Anyway, I'm not going to stay with you.
Wife,
Hmm?
something just look fishy, right?
Yes.
You mean to tell me that your brother not dead eh, and he look like the whole day him a go spend dead eh? Eh?
Oh
I
Lord.
just be a giggle. Me hear the woman in there go on, you know.
What could sweet her son me never hear she dey laugh with fear husband
I
yet.
hear that.
It's only cause him cuss them man.
If you know, say he look like that she comfortably in the house. Mighty God.
We have to get to the bottom of this to let him know what she doing in the day.
Exactly.
Why you sorry for that poor little old man? Is who that? See somebody there? Is who that?
I know him, my wife.
It's not him.
No, sir.
Oh, because I still like the person watching us too. So I
don't know if I tell him, I go tell them, you know, my wife.
I see it's who. Is somebody else going down to the other yard? Yes, it's nobody. I'm from over that place. Anyway, I'm going inside to finish your breakfast. You hear me?
All right, my wife.
And you better put it on record from early that when they're coming out, you catch everything. You hear?
That's what I'm doing right now, my wife.
All
You know
right.
what, miss a second because you know how that's sweet. If them a come out and then kiss and miss just snap them to my wife. So that will be a bigger proof, you know. So you know say with that we get in faster.
Oh Lord.
Just hurry up up and make a little breakfast to me and my wife.
Alright, good. Alright. Don't worry yourself. Alright. I'll soon come back. You hear?
Hurry up, my wife,
Yes.
hurry up. Them think them a come out just so. Them no know say me have my phone out here so with me now. So any little funny movement they up to, I shall catch them today.
So, Errol,
Yes, babes.
so tell me something. You don't have a woman?
Yeah, me have a one woman, yes, but why? It's a long story, you know.
So, me not understand. What do you mean by it's a long story?
When you bring the food, come we talk about it.
No, but me I ask you something. Me ask you for food, you know.
Yes,
What
it-
is the problem with you and your woman? Because I not understand if you is all this goody man, or your woman leave you.
You know, say, one day me there at work and I don't really feel so good. So, my boss decides, say, he must send me home. The site when me go home for go see is not a site.
What kind of sights?
The woman move out everything in my house.
What you mean by she move out everything in your house?
So now what me I tell you?
While you there work? So she didn't give no sign that she gonna left you? So she just left you saying you so nice.
Probably that's why she left me because me too nice.
But
You
who are run
the
from good
see me?
things?
You know only thing what the woman left in the house see me?
wow.
One little old radar lean up in the corner. Bed, dresser, TV, whatnot, everything in the house, you know.
But at least she left something for you. You stay there. Some woman run dig out everything and don't even left it with a pin. So stay there. But anyway, you're a good man, so me know say in no time you don't go back on your foot.
You back on my foot long time, man.
So look here. So if you left on your foot, why you want to come mash up your brother life? Me don't understand that. That don't look right.
I'm not really mash up in life.
What I mean?
He not treat you good.
Yeah, nah, treat me good, but that not simple mean. You don't want to see your brother sad.
But he already sad.
Yeah, but moon do that.
So you want me part-time in your life then, like me
So
live on the
banana
side.
them buy some banana they come and them look like them so ripe. All of them so
I
ripe
say
and
for
spoiled.
part-time you want me in your life, or full-time.
I want a good man. That is what me want. Me don't want no part-time man. Why you think me married you? Hmm? You think a part-time me I look man for?
So what you plan for do? You plan to give him a divorce?
I don't know about that yet, you know. You
So now that
have
me I try to figure it out. You
But-
want me part-time in your life or
But
full-time?
listen to me. Me never tell to me I give no chance either, you know. Because me like man like you still. But look at now. Me don't know your ways now nothing my youth.
But it will take a little time so when him gone to work, me can come up here. So you can know my ways and know my stay.
But you're not going to show your true colour, so you think me an
No, but
idiot.
you have to live with me to see me true
But
colour.
that me I say
But
because
as me I tell you from day one, like how you see me, I see him so me stay, not different.
everybody say the same thing. I'm sure say that me don't say about myself. Until when we you start find fault and start treat me bad, even worse than what him used to do. But I mean I know about this now. Our life is a challenge. But I mean I understand how you nice so. And then all of a sudden your woman move out everything gone with it. Then where she could have gone so. So you know what she did?
Up to today, day, me not bless them here upon her.
Mm-mm. And you so nice. Me don't understand that at all. You know say when me lie down on the bed something come to me, you know.
Eh.
Me let me couldn't tell my husband say me I go spend weekend with my mother. And me and you spend little time together. What you think?
That sound good.
Sound good, me know say they know say.
That sound good, so at least you can spend some time with me and... Or you don't want to come and me yard, you don't want to go rent somewhere.
Why me I want come here, yard? Hmm?
And that to because you can pop up on me and in time so better we just
What
go
if
rent
him
somewhere.
come there to come complain? I mean, well, in your house, I order to them go.
Truth. You can rent somewhere, man.
Well, that's what I should have said. I don't think about it, but I don't say it's a guarantee still. You understand?
Like how you talk back and front or back and did you know.
No, me just
If
have
you
to
make
work.
up your mind, you make up your mind, you know.
Me
Because
but-
me ready long time, you know. It come like say, oh, you're not sure where you want to do.
Me not sure because too, oh, your brother stay. Me I wonder if you stay the same
And me
way.
tell you, say, me not stay the same way. Why you can't take my word for it?
But yeah, that's the problem. Everybody say them good. See when you're there with them a different something, them start see a different colour.
Say nobody want to hear then.
What you mean if me nobody want to hear them, me could have refused that. You know, see everybody else in the at your style and me, look for when me in this. And if you want to come out now, of course me want it.
Give me a chance in your life, for that you
You know that me I think about to do my youth. Yeah, go on so.
So by when you feel say you can get the answer for 10 for you up to. I give you time, you know, because I don't really want to rush things through, you know. I give you time to adjust and see what is what.
No problem. By weekend, we'll tell you what is what.
Alright.
Here?
Yeah, man, no problem. Ethic alongside Sister PETRA. Up and guys who them losing faith. He stand firm and just a cruising straight. When the trumpet sound, me be the first at the gate. With the lantern lights, sweet home celebrate. Goodbye world, no more trouble, no pain. Inject me last straight in my vein.
Sing with the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Sing with the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over.
And see the grave I just run through your bone. Me a praise my Lord and I use my tone. Oh Lord, you are worthy to be praised. Me nah give up, cause me know the journey soon over. Me stand firm for me Lord like any soldier. Michael and Gabriel take charge right now. Clear the path and the way.